Hello everyone. Now we can ask Google Gemini AI to create docs, sheets, slides, PDFs and more directly in our chart. Actually, this new feature is available even for the free version of Google Gemini, and even you can use handwritten screenshots also to create the PDF for any kind of files from that. Okay, it's really useful. Just check that now. And I just tried this prompt, create PDF file listing countries and their capital in Google Gemini web interface. Okay, and it was able to create this PDF file immediately, and that PDF file also, it's looking good. I will show the PDF file. So here, right, it's showing the list of countries and their capital in a clear format, right? And it is giving instruction data accurate as of April 2026. Okay, so I hope it will be really useful. I understand that many people will be effectively using these things. You can just explore that, and if you face any difficulties or if you observe anything differently, just mention that in the comment section. Okay, thanks.